The NPP candidate from Nong Thamai constituency, Panyat Singh Sem, launched his election campaign, highlighting his key priorities for the upcoming MDC elections scheduled for the 21st of February. Joining him at the event were Esron Marwing, who withdrew his candidature to support Panyat Singh Sem, retired traffic official Kong Marngar, and several community members, including elders, women and youth. In his speech, Panyat Singh Sem recalled the laws passed by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and reiterated his efforts in fulfilling public demands as the sitting MDC. He pledged that if re-elected, he would immediately bring engineers and PHE officials to address the area's water supply issues.
But hakasian ke balingkong bagi kiwan ngalakan tai ya kata. Wong Bangladesh kata kecing dai ke bacan semor keneng las pos nantam. Lese kala nga haipor balingkot bangan yo benwan banyakun naganta kenika MDC nangin nok mai. Henry hakawat ke baar hakasian ke baar kumjo kilawan. Bakila kentu bakila kerpa baladan long kabala bangan penkelano ekarai kebangadan banyang na son kham banwan no jenis no mai habang apet ya kata gajing terang gajing angnut jong kita ki samla habang apet ya gajing terang jing angnut jong kita ki ramba ki badan sia gajing sokya nam ta ka bahakamya ka imlang ka salang nam ta ban kentiu ka snong ka thau ngalahap ban perkhat asin ban shim ya karai ban yakun no nang ni no mai kata di kanongren kata di kadau ka penlong yangi ban shim ya kanigarai bangin ya kunno nang ninong thamai ken kita ki an ban pensuk ban penmentoi habang idan mentara shipos nam per district council ka kamram jungi ki MDC kalong bangin thawan ban shnaan ban wara kita ki an ki bas kem ki ban long ka jing mentoi ka jing erop bat ka jing kurku baru kacing kentiu ya kayo kakot jongi kum kinong shoshnong kabangilala banwara ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Act Araja Arkuwai bat ya kanika an layo ya kacing menjul haus September Araja Arkuan bat ka kacing mentoy jonika an nanta jongpi parok kinong shoshnong hane kalong ba hadian balayo ek district council na usnam khat khandai spa sanpuar nyu puar tali isnam kilaya kabor jong ka 6 schedule haka constitution haka article aspa satu saw ar bar aspa nyu sanway kaong bal ai bor ek district council ban shnaan halo ban tum scam ya ka khndo ka siap ka jungi tehnrai nyu puar tali isnam umdan an badai hakani ka tem ka jungi bangilala banwanra ikani ka an khndo ka baskem bakani ka an khndo ka baskem kan ai bore pi baro kinong shong ki badan ya ki chaka ki badan ki nongre mien ki badan ki kper ki badan ki chakara bapila ban register ban tum scam ya ka jinglong try ka jongpi ya ka khndo ka bapidan tang da ka register district council haidor ibadat